Hey guys, Rohan with you, and I am coming to you with a very exciting episode to tell you about my latest course that I'm launching. Today is the 5th of November, and I want to show you something really special because this method actually you can build a five-figure business using just free traffic on Facebook. Okay, five-figure business using free traffic on Facebook. Okay, so no need to spend anything on ads. Okay, and I made this course specially for the people who want to build their business, and achieve all their dreams and goals, but they have a shoestring budget or they cannot afford paid ads, because I mean I've been in the internet marketing game for about 18 months. The first 6 months I did not make any money actually, and but I was in a very I consider myself lucky because I was in a position where I was able to afford using various softwares, trying new things, and I was also able to afford paid traffic. So I feel like my success has come from being able to be in that position, and you know, I mean, for the past 12 months, it has been four figures consistently every month, well into it, and and it has been on the upward trajectory. So, but the thing is, I created this course for those people who don't have they are not that lucky that they can spend 80 to $100 a day on paid traffic. So that's why I created this course, because this has 18 months of all my knowledge of, if I had to start internet marketing again from zero, this is exactly how I'll do it, right? So that's what this course, that's the intention with which this course was made. And I want to show you some proof. Actually, this is my PayPal account. I made $13,000 this year so far, and I'm just going to refresh it so that you can see it's my actual name in my account. I mean, this is actually my account, so you can see my name will be here. Okay, so my name is supposed to come here, but I don't know what's going on. Okay, well, I'm just going to go to reports. Well, I'm going to log out and log back in. I guess that's the only way for you to see my account name. So you can see live me signing into my own account. So there's no better proof than that. So this is my email, right? Okay, so I'm logging in to my own account. All right, and the thing is, I lost my PayPal account. I mean, I got banned from PayPal since like August somewhere. So obviously, there's nothing since August onwards. But this is the amount of sales that I have been able to generate, all pure profit, right, from PayPal only. So if I select 2019 complete, you can see $13,000. Okay, and this is my Stripe account. So after that, I started using Stripe. So you can see my name here, and so far I've grossed almost 5,500. So 13 plus another 5.5, you can see around 18,500. Okay, and that's what I have created. This is the course sales page. Okay, that I'll go over and I'll show you what exactly is included. Okay, so I mean I recorded this course few days ago, so you can see this course will show you exactly how I generated $18,311 in pure profit. Okay, this year. And honestly, I did a lot of this from the creation of one of my $97 courses. Okay, so that was my first product, and this is my second product. So it's not like I have a plethora of courses that I'm selling online. It's just this is the second one. So it's just was that one course that helped me generate most of the income. Okay, and honestly, I started selling that course since April. So technically, it's not even this whole year. It's like the past 6 months that I've done 18,000 and above. Okay, so this is a little bit of an intro. This is a little bit about myself, and here are the the proof screenshots from my PayPal and Stripe account. So you can see it's gone up by a few $100 past couple of days. Okay, and here's the details of the course. Okay, so this is what I go over. I show you a simple 6-step recipe of how I got to five figures, and I'm hitting five figures consistently. Okay, how to set up your Facebook profile for success, key factors to drive Facebook engagement. Okay, I'll even show you some real world examples of how people are doing this and some bonuses I've included. The bonus is that I'll show you my entire roadmap, detailed. Okay, I've dedicated one entire video to my exact case study of how I reached $18,311, so that you know exactly how to do it as well, and it's easily duplicatable. Okay, it's not rocket science. It's anything, and anybody can do it. It's just the strategy that's involved, and you can honestly do it in whatever niche, any niche. You can use this strategy. Okay, and also, obviously, if you buy one of my courses, then my mentorship and support is there for lifetime. As long as you're implementing the course and your questions are surrounded, around the course, then you have my help. Okay. And I've also included a bonus section where I show you how to build massive email lists, targeted email lists, just by using Facebook only. And it's completely free traffic. No need to pay a dime. All right. I've also included my free affiliate marketing course in order to teach you the skills of how to connect an autoresponder and the importance of it and building landing pages and all that stuff. Okay, so basically, since I've launched it just a couple of days ago, I've set the price at only $27 to make it really, really affordable, because my target audience over here is obviously those who cannot afford paid traffic. So I don't want to price this course too high. Okay, and hopefully, if the response is good and everything goes well, I might not even bump up the price by that much, but I feel that this course has a lot of value, that $27 is actually really, really cheap and affordable. All right, because I want to help you guys. All right, so you can buy the course from the buy button. I'm going to leave a link to this sales page below the video. Okay, and if you have liked so far what you've seen, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notifications on when I release videos in the future. So I hope you like this video, guys. Do try out the course. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Facebook. I'm going to leave my link to my Facebook profile, and it's on the sales page as well. You can connect with me via Facebook via this button right here. Okay, and I'm happy to interact with you and answer any questions that you have. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you inside the course and talk to you one-on-one and grow together. All right, cheers, guys.